the biggest reasons why you keep on blowing accounts. So in this video, we're actually going to break it down even more further into detail on why this is the case, right? So your mentor is getting paid to promote these brokers and they don't even use them themselves. That's why you see them withdrawing from a different broker but still recommend you to a different broker, tagging a different broker in their posts and everything. They know that the broker is not reliable, but they will mention it over and over again so that you can sign up with them and trade with them. We also used to work with a few of these brokers. The money was good, the proposals were also good. We're talking about an easy 4 figures every single month, so you can bet that most of these mentors will basically take it. Easy money. As hustlers, we can accept that money boost, but as mentors trying to change lives, we'd rather cut ties with all brokers. We no longer work with any broker, nor recommend any broker. Some of these brokers we worked with were not bad. They deliver and our students never had problems. Some are worse. That's why your mentor can't even go out without tagging them. Even a post that is not related to Forex, your mentor will still mention them below. Your mentor can just go out to eat food, but below the post you will see them tagging recommended broker what. I mean, how is a simple meal related to Forex? Like, seriously. I am the one, the way your son don't need. That's how these brokers operate. I'm not saying your mentor is a scam, but he probably might be one. In public, he will act like he is there to help you, but privately be on Zoom meetings with these brokers accepting the terms to manipulate you guys, opening spreads against you and move your entry price by a few pips, enough to blow your account. Some of these mentors don't even care about you. They're only here for the money. They will rather build wealth based on someone else's tears, which is just so sad. Now, don't think we're just making these things up. We worked with these brokers, but after seeing things that these brokers are capable of doing on their platforms that are not available to the public, we distance ourselves. Yet every single day, our DMs are still full of deals. Your account manager, the one that calls you to offer help, they don't really want to help you. They have a screen like this one shown on the screen in front of them of all the people that are under them. They monitor all your moves, and on this platform they can see if you're online or offline, which shows on their side as active or inactive. They know your behavior and study your movement. These guys are patient and they know when to attack you so that it won't be obvious. They monitor if you're a scalper or a swing trader, and when you sleep they actually open spreads to take you out. That's why you wake up with a blown account. But they don't attack everyone at the same time. They don't want to raise suspicion. They know one voice will just make noise for a day or two and then everyone will move on, right? Your mentor will know that your arguments are valid against these brokers and that you're not lying. But the next day you actually go on to post about how other people can't trade and then wanna come and blame the brokers for their losses, right? And these followers who don't even use that broker will comment and say it's true, because these mentors have great influence on their followers, so they will definitely go with whatever he says. Meanwhile, their mentor has access to your information, like how much you got left on your trading account and what trade you just took and all that information, right? So this is not the exact platform that they use. It is more advanced and you're not allowed to take pictures or record it. There are good brokers and there are bad brokers. We are not saying all these recommended brokers are shady. All we're saying is that you need to watch your mentor's loyalty and choose your broker wisely. A reliable broker is the foundation of your journey. Another thing is to choose the right mentor. Choose your mentor based on the person you want to be one day, because you will adapt the behavior of your mentor daily. If your mentor always flex and gets involved in beef or drama, you will also develop that attitude. What most newbies do is they pick mentors based on material things. They pick their mentors based on the things that they desire. They see the car or the house or black card and they choose that mentor. Whether that person have knowledge and skills, they don't really care. They are anyway not interested in the knowledge. They want the good things, they want the money. That's why there is so many traders in the industry with no passion for the charts. That's why they keep on losing, because they choose all these professional salesmen as their mentors, thinking these guys make money in the markets. Newbies think that if you show money, you have money. There were times people came for me for lessons and they saw me pull up with a cab. The look on their faces would change when I arrived there. They already had this picture of in their mind how a trader should look like, right? What a trader should drive and all that nonsense. They would ask me where was my car if I had gone there with a cab, not knowing that I actually owned the company. So people have this judgmental mentality, and I've seen it a lot. That's why I don't bother to entertain and explain certain things to people who refuse to raise that losing mindset. A lot of them went with rich traders thinking they would be rich. Now it's been more than 5 years and their testimonials are that they have been scammed. That's how people learn, right? They want to burn first. There are guys who have knowledge and been trading more than 8 years, but life hit them, so they're building from scratch, and life be giving them a tough time. Just because that person doesn't have a car, newbies run and go pay for lessons to those with cars. whether it's rented or not, they don't really pay attention to that. So you must get rid of this mindset of saying after 3 years of trading you will make it, and that if you don't make it, you're basically a failure. No, don't fool yourself. You will be trading for 5 years and still be working on your feet. There is no duration when it comes to success. What life gives you after building in 5 years, it can all be taken back in 1 day. So stop judging these mentors who are not up there but have a lot of knowledge to pass to you. Anyone can scam people, run away with their money, and teach people nonsense just to get rich overnight. Some mentors choose the long road and will rather take time to build their wealth in a legit way than to build wealth while other people sleep hungry or even getting deeper into debt. So choose your mentor wisely. I know a lot of mentors who made it fast and legit way, and others who steal from people acting like they have good intentions in public, but their DMs are full of people crying every single day. Choose your mentor wisely. Now, another big tip that I can give you right now is to trade with the money that you're willing to lose. What we mean by this is to only trade with money that you don't have plans for. If you trade with money that you have plans with, like to buy groceries or toiletries, you will make poor decisions. You will open trades based on setups and close them based on fear and emotions. You will cut your profits short and let your losses run, which is very, very bad for the Forex game, right? Because you have plans with the money that you fund with and cannot afford to lose it. So never ever trade with capital you got plans for. Stick to risk management. If you start with $100, it is okay to grow your account slowly with proper risk management. Do not let the internet rush you. Nobody is showing their losses on the internet, so erase that mentality of barcode trading. That is plain gambling. Yes, we also do that sometimes, but only with the money we're willing to lose. There are days we take $100 to $1,000 in less than an hour, and there are days we also blow $100 within a minute. So always stick to risk management to see growth. Slow gain is better than no gain. Okay, let me quickly repeat that. I say slow gain is better than no gain. What we mean by this is there is no duration to success. Stop comparing yourself with the next trader. If you see your mentor triple an account in a day, do not try to do the same. The same way you can double it is the same way you can blow it. The only difference between you and your mentor is that he's willing to lose that account and you are not, because it is your last capital. And if you blow that account, that means now you're back to square one and you have to hustle for months before you can fund your account again, because you have responsibilities and just don't have cash laying around, which basically disturbs your consistency in the markets, because consistency is very key when it comes to being a Forex trader. So do things on your own pace. Things might go slow, but in the end you will make it. Do not let these Instagram gurus make you feel like you're losing in life. Most of these gurus are just professional salesmen and can't really trade. A lot of you are better than them. The only difference is that some of you lack capital. Some of you have no support and are starting from nothing, while some of these gurus have a head start in life. Others come from rich families and are now chowing inheritance money. Most are even scamming people and got deals from shady brokers that can disappear anytime with clients' deposits. We know a lot of these mentors who get paid, and we know how they operate. So don't think you are failing in life when you see nice things on Instagram that you don't have or are not able to afford at the moment. Invest in yourself and put in the hours. Every weekend backtest your work. While they're partying, you gotta put in the work. Keep a journal to see where you went wrong. Track your mistakes and work on them so that you don't make the same mistakes again. Knowledge is very important. Let me tell you something. You cannot go wrong with knowledge and hard work. You can't go wrong with knowledge and hard work. That's just simply a fact. When I started trading, I paid a lot of mentors. I respected their skills and admired their skills. Some information was valuable and others were just wasting my time, but never did I cry that this and that scammed me or whatsoever. I combined everything that I learned. I cut out what didn't work and added what worked for me. I made my own research every single day and adjusted the strategies to make it easier for me. I did put in the work every single day until I reached a level where I no longer need to even analyze the market. I just look at the charts with my eyes and know exactly what's going to happen next, because I got so familiar with the market structure. Sometimes I might be wrong, but most of the times I'm right. So my wins are more than my losses, which is very, very important when it comes to Forex trading. What most people do is they just buy a strategy and think that things gonna change just like that without putting in the extra work themselves. Yes, your mentor will guide you and show you the ropes, but the only way you will really learn is to add that extra hours and adjust the strategy to suit your trading plan. I've put in the extra work. I didn't even have to bother my mentors anymore. I seek knowledge over and over again. And you know what? All those mentors I paid back then now are paying me to teach them the new ways. So put in the work and learn new things. Who knows, we might come to you tomorrow and learn from you as well. That's how powerful it is to invest in knowledge. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends and family so they can also know what to expect in this industry. #Let's eat. See you on the next one.